Love is a spark cast into water. Love is a blaze. It shines through the dark, burns ever hotter, then kills and betrays. Passages cannot stay open forevermore. Sometimes the only way forward means closing the door. Keep it locked up, keep it sealed tight, shut it down and turn away. Hope you've stocked up, it's a long night, nothing good is meant to stay. Sometimes the ones we love the most have the worst things to hide. Sometimes the monsters turn out to be those who stood there by your side. So keep it locked up, keep it sealed tight, shut it down and turn away. Please think of the fragile things. No. Nothing good